Yes, I have the light out, and I'm just watching Hurricane Florence making its way to Mebane, North Carolina. Wind's picking up just a little bit. It's not raining, but maybe a drop every few seconds. But it's slowly coming. Friday morning around 1 a.m. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Supposed to be worse tomorrow. Keep you guys updated. As you can tell, I don't have a light on my phone because I don't want to cause any kind of contrast. But you might be able to hear the wind just a little bit. You can tell it's just an outrageous storm out there. Seems like just around the horizon. It's crazy. Hurricane Florence is supposed to be in the same category as Hurricane Hazel was in the 50s. So we'll see. Alright, Mark Williams, August 14th, 2018, signing out. Alright, talk to you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye.